In this video, I will show you how you can enable full screen display on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Display. Under the Display settings, just scroll down and tap on Navigation bar. And from here, instead of buttons, just select Swipe Gestures. Now after you enable Swipe Gestures, you will disable the navigation bar at the bottom of your phone, and your phone will be set on full screen mode, just like that. But if you're opening any app on your Samsung phone and if you're finding these black bars at the top of the screen, now to enable your Samsung phone in full screen mode, then just go to your home screen and go back to settings. Now under the display settings, just scroll down a bit and you will find the option for camera cutout. Just tap on it, and from here just select the app in which you're facing this problem. In our case, it is the calculator. Now just tap on it, and instead of hide camera cutout, just select show camera cutout. And after you do that, the selected app will open in full screen mode, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.